Parts of flower. Calyx. It is the outermost whorl in which sepals are present. Sepals can be united or can be free. If sepals are united, it is known as gamosepalous, and if sepals are free, it is known as polysepalous. Corolla. Corolla is the part in which petals are arranged. Petals are bright colored. They are so to attract the insects for pollination. If petals are free, they are polypetalous, and if petals are united, it is gamopetalous. Next is estivation. Estivation is mode of arrangement of sepals or petals. There are four types of estivation seen. Velvet. In this type of estivation, you can see in the diagram also, in velvet estivation, sepals or petals just touch each other. In case of twisted estivation, sepals or petals overlaps each other. In case of imbricate estivation, petals or sepals overlaps, but there is no direction for that overlapping. In vexillary estivation, two petals overlaps the two smaller petals or sepals. Androecium. It is the male reproductive part. Stamen is present in it. Further, anther and filament is present. If it is united, if anthers are united, it is known as epipetalous, and in case if anther is free, it is known as epiphyllous. Gynoecium. Gynoecium is the female reproductive part. It consists of ovary, stigma and style. Ovules are attached to ovary through placenta, and upon this there are several methods or ways of placentation. These are marginal. You can see in the diagram marginal placentation, when ovules are attached at axis axile, parietal, free central and basal placentation. You can see in the diagram marginal, axile, parietal, free central and basal placentation. The fruit. Mature ovary after fertilization is known as fruit. If the fruit is formed without fertilization of ovary, it is known as parthenocarpic fruit. Fruit consists of outer pericarp and seeds. Here you can see two examples of drupe fruit, mango and coconut. You can see in the diagram there is pericarp, then there is mesocarp and endocarp, and then there is seed. Here you can see in case of mango, this mesocarp is fleshy and edible, whereas in case of coconut, this mesocarp is hard and fibrous, and this drupe fruit is formed by superior ovary and is usually one-seeded.